Hello, everyone, and welcome to my presentation on the structure and function of the spinal cord as part of our Anatomy and Physiology 1 course. Today, we explore the key components of the spinal cord and its important roles in the human body. Firstly, I introduce to you the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a critical part of the central nervous system, which known as CNS. It begins at the brainstem and runs down to the lumbar region of the spine. It's protected by three main layers: the bony vertebra, the meninges, and the cerebrospinal fluid, which known as CSF, which cushion it from shock. Structurally, the spinal cord is cylindrical and divided into five regions: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal. Inside, gray matter forms an H shape or butterfly structure and is surrounded by white matter, which carries signals up and down the cord. The gray matter is primarily involved in processing information. It contains the neuron cell bodies and interneurons. The white matter contains bundles of myelinated axons that transmit signal to and from the brain. The spinal cord serves three major roles. Firstly, it acts as a highway for signals traveling between the brain and the rest of the body. Secondly, it controls reflexes through spinal reflex arcs. And finally, it plays as a part in both receiving sensory input and sending out motor commands. And there are 31 pairs of spinal nerves branching off from the spinal cord, and each nerve has both sensory and motor components. Reflexes are quick, involuntary responses managed by the spinal cord through the pathway called the reflex arc. And finally, in conclusion, the spinal cord is a vital component of the nervous system. It protects, processes, and transmits. Understand its structure and function gives us a deeper insight into how our bodies operate and respond to the world around us. Thank you so much for listening.